مصلحا ومجددا فارنوا بنظر طاهر وجناني.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Asim al-Hakim is the main English-speaking Sheikh of Saudi Arabia and lies that Ahmadi Muslims do not pray, fast or perform the pilgrimage. I called him to tell him that he has spread falsehood, but he quickly disconnected the call. Why do these so-called scholars lie about Islam Ahmadiyya? They want to keep the general public unaware about the teachings of the true Islam. They know that if they read our books, they would be convinced about the truthfulness of Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad alayhi salam of Qadian. As for me mocking him personally, this is also a false allegation. He lied about the Jamaat and I responded that he himself lies about Islam and also lies about Islam Ahmadiyyat. I showed that according to his own words, he allowed the drinking of alcohol. He was then pressured and had to retract his claim. If I lied, why did he have to make a video explaining to his followers that he was wrong and has changed his view?
However, this is not our question. Did you, Sheikh Asim, say 2% to 3% in a drink is permissible because it does not waste? Yes, I did. Do you still stand by this? No, I don't. Do you still stand by this? No, I don't. Do you still stand by this? No, I don't.
Allah humiliates those who mock his prophets. After the falsehood of Asim al-Hakim, he did retract and accepted that he was wrong. And I shared his statement. I helped him out by sharing his video of him accepting his mistake. Let us now see the phone call which took place on live television. He was forced to disconnect.
Razi from Canada.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh. How are you?
Alaikum assalam wa barakatuh.
So my question was that yesterday you said that Ahmadi do not pray, fast, and don't perform Hajj. And in your other videos you have said this as well. So I just wanted to clarify that this
Razi, listen to me. You have done so much harm with your videos and mocking me personally with your lies, and we don't have to discuss this, because ask any Muslim who is part of Ahlus Sunnah wal Jama'ah or part of the Super Sufis or even the Shia, and they will tell you that the Qadianis are not from Islam and they do not belong to the Muslim community. So it doesn't matter to me whether you're a Jew or a Christian. It's the same. So I don't think that it is proper to leave the platform to you to express any more lies than what you have done in the past.
Since Asim al-Hakim has blocked me on Twitter as he was unable to respond to the arguments of the promised Messiah alayhi salam, I request all viewers to respectfully tweet these links to him. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can get notifications for every new video. Also make sure to like and comment on the video and follow on Twitter and Instagram.
صل على سيدنا صل على محمد